you have small videos. Where I am trying to explain these concepts. Okay, sir. Okay, then let us go how to write about health and safety. So first of all, let us see what has to be written. Students shall identify any 4 hazards in the construction project. Okay, so ignore this one. Student must evaluate the likelihood and severity of risk because you cannot calculate it. I will remove this from the coursework document and I will try to upload it, the revised one. That's fine. So now we have to go to risk assessment overview. Read this, the whole paragraph. As an employer, you are required to protect your employees under the management of health and safety work. The minimum you must do is identify what could injury, take action to eliminate the hazard, control the risk. So you can understand what do you mean by hazard. Identify what could cause injury or illness. Maybe you can see health and safety at regulations work. Okay, so you can write this word, write this one, because this looks important to me. Okay. Decide how assessing risk is just one part of overall process used to control risk, for the most low risk business. If you're high, you can see more guidance here. Steps needed to manage risks. So first you have to identify hazards, assess the risk, control the risk. Okay, so this paragraph can be very much useful. Whether I write or I don't write, that's a different issue. But I am telling you what are the major points, because at least you can write it at the risk management place. Okay, how will you identify hazard? You can see here how people work, each might enter vulnerable, assess the risk, who might be harmed and how. Okay, record your findings. So risk assessment template and example. So out of this, you have to check various PDFs. So don't simply blindly copy this. Only falls from height. Okay, it will also happen at construction site. Okay, slips, trips and falls, it is almost similar to this. So don't go with this. Either select that or either select this. Then operation to lift trucks, traffic movements, conveyor belt, portable electrical equipment, fire, hazardous substances. I don't feel much related to construction. Let us go like this. Let us go to each. Manual handling of paper equipment, display screen, working at height is similar in other places. Um, Maybe if you are not able to find on this, I think I have given you in the video what keyword I have, hazards and risks in construction sites. Okay, I will try to open this website. Major hazards on construction site 7. I have shown you all this in the video I have developed. Okay, there is a journal here, and if you check Moodle, on Moodle I have provided 2 journals. Mentioned it as a research nexus. Maybe in week 2 or 3, let me show you. You can see these are the journals here. This will also take you causes of construction accidents in Oman, analysis of accident causes. So it will also give you some idea. If you refer from this, it will be really good. Okay, so let us see the basic 10 common construction hazards. You can see working at height. So suitable training, avoid working at height. Okay, maybe as you said, let me take this one. I will take this. So you can see here uh, working at height. Let us see how best I can get the information from this. So the health and you can mention in the starting itself, the health and safety executive has mentioned this under quarter worker falling from height. The just put work at height. Okay. Okay. So first hazard. Okay. Maybe you can write here types of hazards and select first one as working at height. Okay, working at height, I found that uh, it is the most common hazard at construction sites or construction projects, which may lead to fatal injuries to workers. So those type of keywords don't try to change them. Okay, fatal injuries to workers. So the first line I have mentioned that what is this hazard. Okay, and I have mentioned what is the risk happens or which lead to the risk of, because we have to mention this word, the risk of fatal injuries to workers. So you can see here, after identify the risk, you have to assess the risk, then to control the risk. Okay, according to the document, I need to mention relevant control measures to reduce the level of risk. Okay, to reduce or remove this risk, what are the control measures to be followed? Again, go to the website. Suitable training is required for all the employees who work at height. Okay, so to reduce or remove this, or you can start writing, don't follow the same pattern for all. Okay, control measures to reduce or remove this risk are, or you can keep headings again, subheadings, it will look much better. Suitable training to all employees and workers. Then employees should be trained in working different places, such as how to work. Don't try to explain all these things. Brief this all in one word. That's suitable training for employees and workers. And thou requires that all employees must assess the risk. A plan should be revised. The employee must have received the correct training. Working at height must be properly planned and supervised. Proper planning. See, I felt this is important. You may feel another point is important. It differs from various person to various person. So avoid working at height wherever possible. Avoid working. Don't write single line. Use equipment with an extra level of safety. Avoid working at height or use extra level of safety. Again, don't explain extra level of safety to reduce the risk, fatal fall, example, something like that. And minimize the consequences of fall, for example, providing a safety net. Providing a safety net. Simple, that's it. For one hazard, I have mentioned. What is the task here? Like this, you have to identify 4 hazards and we are expecting 50 words from each hazard. Let us see how many words I have written. 52 words. That's fine. So now you can see it is the most common hazard at construction sites or projects which may lead to the risk of fatal injuries to workers. This is enough. Now control measures to reduce or remove. You see, when you remove this any word, you can find out synonyms for this reduce and all. Remove this risk are, again you can go for sub points like this. Suitable training and all. Like the same, you go with the second one. not only from the single website. Don't try to write from the single website. Read, for example, here also you can say working at height. They might have given you, they can clearly mention here minimize risk. So this is minimize risk means it is a control measure. Implementing training in safe working practice, use and maintenance of PPE. I hope you know what is PPE. Personal protective equipment. Installing of guardrails, fall protecting systems, ensuring equipment. See, from this website I have found some other more control measures. If I go somewhere else, see false. If I read this, I may get some more. You can see here. It is essential to ensure employees to access the correct equipment called personal protective equipment. Hard hats, good rule of thumb followed. For scaffolding, what are the major problems for ladders? So these are the various websites. What help I can do is I will share you this website, or you can just click this keyword and immediately you can find it out. Or for the benefit of students, I will share all the website links here so that it will give you easy access. I don't know, it's very slow. Anyways, after stopping the recording also I can send you the, okay, it came. So this is what I would like to tell you. So now are you able to understand how to write your reflection, how to write your understanding of a particular type of hazard? Was this useful? You can just give your feedback. Meanwhile, I will try to share the resources. Okay, please, you can start responding. So this is what I would like to explain from this.